Hi, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today I am going to show you step by step how to open a free trading demo account on ACY Securities. At the end of the video, we will reveal one helpful tip that could be beneficial to you if you are looking to maximize your profit potential, so be sure to stick around. Let's get started. ACY is an online, fully regulated broker that specializes in trading through Forex, precious metals, indices, commodities, share CFDs, and cryptocurrencies. Their accounts feature Stp ECN, 0 ECN, and MT5 Xchange accounts with lower spreads and leverage. Featured platforms for live and demo accounts are supported on MetaTrader 4 and 5, which are available on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. If you ever require any assistance while on their website, you can click on the Chat Now button at the bottom right of the homepage here. Submit your message and a support representative will then get back to you. Today, I am going to show you how to open a demo account on ACY Securities. Firstly, head over to their website at www.acy.com. On their home screen here, at the left of the page, you will see Trade Now and Try Our Demo Account. Click on Try Our Demo Account. Next, fill out and submit your personal information such as your name, email address, preferred platform and currency, and your mobile phone number. After you have submitted your information, you will be redirected to a page that displays your login information. What you'll want to do next is scroll down and then download and install MetaTrader 4. Once you have downloaded and installed MetaTrader 4, log in with the information that was displayed on the page prior. And we're in. This is an ACY demo account on MetaTrader 4 for Windows. In the center of the dashboard here, we can see our main chart windows. You can change your chart types here from either candlestick, bar, or line charts. You can zoom in and out of the selected chart window with the magnifying glass buttons on the right of the chart types buttons. If you wish to open a selected chart window into a full screen window, all you will need to do is simply click on the full screen button at the top right of the selected chart window. On the top left of the selected window here, we can see our quick buy and sell order executions. This is where you can make quick buy and sell orders on the selected trading instrument straight from the chart window. On the left side of the dashboard here, we can see our Market Watch, which displays all the trading instruments that ACY provides. This Market Watch is displaying Forex currency pairs. If you wish to open an individual buy and sell order window for a preferred currency pair, all you will need to do is simply right-click on your preferred pair and click on New Order. This will then open an individual buy and sell order window, which displays some additional information and its own line chart. If you wish to add a preferred currency pair into its own chart window, simply right-click on your preferred pair and click on Chart Window. This will then add the selected currency pair into its own chart window in the center of the dashboard here. At the bottom of the dashboard here, we can see all the currency pairs that we have added into our main chart windows. You can easily switch between these currency pairs from right here. If you ever require any assistance while using MetaTrader 4, you can click on the Help section here at the top left of the dashboard. This will then display a few video tutorials and a help center, which covers various aspects of platform functionality to help you get started. ACY Securities also provides their very own education portal, which includes a variety of educational trading topics, such as market analysis webinars you can join, daily trending news, Forex ebooks, an economic calendar, and more. One helpful tip that could be beneficial to you if you are looking to maximize your profit potential is to consider how much emotional stress you can actually take while taking part in various trading activities. It is essential that Forex traders need to have a strong ability to keep their emotions under control. If you have a hard time controlling your emotions, it might be exceedingly difficult to reach a position where you can achieve your trading goals and profits. One key point here is that it is quite common for emotional traders to stay with various rules and strategies. This can somewhat leave traders feeling stubborn and just might not exit trades fast enough. It is important to realize the mistakes which are made when trading. Some of the best trading methods and risk management strategies rely on avoiding negative and stressful emotions. Instead of being focused on these negative emotions, try and become comfortable with the amount of trades and capital you invest and trade with. And that's how to open a demo account on ACY Securities. Subscribe to our channel for more helpful guides and tips. Leave us a comment. Are you a beginner, intermediate, or professional trader? And tell us which Forex platform you are currently using to trade on. And that's it from me. To open an account now, click the link in the description. Good luck!